back to Gráinne's Home and Kitchen. So about 2 years ago I put a video up on my channel on how I recovered the blinds in my kitchen. But unfortunately I didn't actually go through the process of how I did it. I do explain how I did it, but I'm going to actually cover up this Roman blind now, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you how I did it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take down the blind. I'm just going to pull off the Velcro. Okay, so I'm going to find the screws under here and I'm just going to unscrew it. So now I have the blind down, I'm going to go down to my dining room and I'm going to show you how I recover it. So the first thing you're going to do is extend your blind. So open up your blind so that you can have access to the whole thing. So you see I dropped down the strings so that I could get the full access. You don't have to do anything with this. You don't even need to recover this because you're not going to see it. So the blind is fully extended. And Leroy's barking again. And then I'm going to take my shower curtain, which end, let me have a look at how this is set up. Okay, so it has just the holes there for the rings, so we don't want to use that end. Okay, so I will take, this is actually ideal when you're using, last time I did it I purchased fabric, so I didn't actually have these hems to start with. Sorry guys, I don't know what my boy is barking for. What you giving out about? Where are you? Okay guys, so what you're going to do then is you're going to line up your material with your blind and then you're going to pin it in place. So these pins are not very strong, so let's hope I can get them through. So we'll start on the two corners just to make sure we get them in the right place. You can see these pins are struggling. Okay, so I'm going to pin it all the way around. To take my fabric and I'm going to fold it in and I'm going to line it up with the edge. Okay, so I'm going to take a pin. This is going to be hard to pin because there's a lot of fabric, so I just put it at an angle like that. And now I'm going to make a seam the whole way down. Okay guys, so now I'm just stitching it and I'm kind of doing like a hem stitch and I'm making sure that the white fabric overlaps the pink fabric because we don't want to see any of the pink fabric peeking out. Okay guys, we're finally on the last leg. So I'm just doing the last seam and then I can get it home. This has taken me so long because I haven't been able to spend enough time any one day at this. So I'm just going to hem the top. I'm going to zoom in a minute and you'll see hopefully how I'm actually doing the stitching. The reason it's taken me so long to finish this is because I'm back to work, so I'm kind of just fitting this in the evenings and a couple of hours on the weekend, so it did take longer than it should have done, but I think if you actually set time aside, this is definitely something that you could finish in a day. guys, so it's stitched all the way around. I'll just take out the last of the pins. I just took a pin out there. Where did it go? I do get stabbed a lot when I'm doing this. Okay, so when this is pulled up, sometimes it sags here. So what I did the last time I did this was I took my thread and I just put a couple of little stitches underneath the pole so that when it pulls up it doesn't sag. So I probably do in 4 places just a couple of little stitches. So you're just going to stitch the top piece. Actually, I should put it in from the back so I don't have that knot there. Not that it will matter because you really won't see it when it's pulled up. But I'll just go in from the back. So I'm just going to find where the rod is and find, because I'm using white thread, I'll just do it in a white part. Okay, and stitch your top fabric to the bottom fabric. It's just basically a small stitch just to hold it in place. Okay, so I did this underneath every bar and I put 4 stitches across. Don't worry about where you're spacing them. Once you've got 4 stitches, that will hold it in place when you pull it up. Okay guys, so I am finished. So you can see I stitched all the way around and I made 4 stitches along here. I can't actually see them, but I know they're there. So I ran 4 stitches along underneath each of the bars so that there won't be any sagging. So I'm going to go upstairs and hang it and I'll show you how it looks. Okay guys, the light isn't great in here, but I am going to attempt to hang my blind back up. So I didn't take all the screws out, so I'm hoping I'll be able to line them up again. To all the ladies out there who like to do DIY, you got to get yourself an electric screwdriver. I love it. Okay, so now I'm just going to stick my Velcro back up. It took a little finagling to get it fully lined up, but once it was up, it was great, and look how easy it pulled up. Okay guys, so there's my revamped blind, $10. Not bad. I just want to show you, because somebody had asked me on the other video I did what they look like from the outside. So I want to show you, remember I had said that it won't matter when you fold it up. So I'm just going to go here and show you what the underneath looks like. So if I pull it out like this, you can see from the outside that piece that I stitched gets folded over, so it actually looks perfect from the outside. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. Have a great day guys.